It's like you're in a yogurt commercial.
I've always wanted.
Okay, we are just checking out of our hotel now. We have a little bit of time to explore the area, and then we are taking a 14-hour bus to Milan. So let's get this day started. And we have just made it to the Panthéon Theater. We have no idea anything about it, but it's big, it's beautiful, and it was close to our apartment. So that's the first thing we're checking out. So let's go inside.
So basically at the Panthéon here, we have our girl Marie Curie, and she was the inventor of type 1 diabetes insulin. So I owe my life to this girl, like, bless up, thank goodness. Holy cow.
Too bad she wasn't on the top of trophy.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I lived in Lyon, the metro stop for my house was called Jean Jaurès, and apparently he was a famous socialist who like united a bunch of workers and was like against the anti-Semitism movement. So apparently he was like a real dude, and I was just at his metro stop all the time. It's really weird when you guys watch me vlog like this. I'm very uncomfortable. But how cool. And he's buried right over there. I'm like, yo bro, I visited your metro stop. Like, maybe we can be friends. Pardon?
The gardens you're bringing us for beautiful.
Stop! This isn't bad!
Oh, there's some grass.
Just at the Panthéon, and we're about to go visit the Jardin du Luxembourg.
Wow.
See you there.
Your French is incredible, Brandon. I'm impressed. Grade 12 is that?
Grade 12. Mrs. Bloom loved when I threw the accents in. So that's for you, Mrs. Bloom.
Okay, we got all our bags and we are just headed to the bus station now. We're pretty sure it's a bus, but it also might be a train, so it'll be like a pleasant little surprise when we get there. It's like a 14-hour ride to Milan, so it's gonna be a very exhilarating day. Can't wait. 5 Minute Squad is on the bus and we are on our way to Milano. We are actually meeting Riley's mom's cousin's husband's wife's you know, we're meeting one of Riley's extended relatives, and he's going to show us around the city. We have a 14-hour bus ride ahead of us, so there's going to be lots of sleep pad, which I need, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, Cub Scouts. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, holla back at your boy. And if you want, say something nice to Brandon in the comments. He needs it.
I really do.